if you want to know the performance or hardware information about your PC, all you need to do is right click on the taskbar, click Task Manager, click on Performance, and you will see information on your CPU, memory, hard disk, Wi-Fi and GPU. Now sometimes when you first open this up, you won't necessarily see all the cores, so if that's the case, all you need to do is right click, change graph to logical processors, and it will show you all the cores in your CPU. So this tells you that I've got an i3 8100, it runs at 3.6 gigahertz, and it gives you information about cache and more information over here. If you click on memory, it tells you in this case I've got 8 gigs of RAM, it's running at 2400 megahertz, I've only got one slot in use, and it gives you a bit more information. Hard disk, it tells you I've got a 224 gigabyte hard disk, and it gives you read write, response time. I've also got a traditional 1 terabyte hard disk as well. Again, it gives you the same information about this one. If you want to know about the performance of your Wi-Fi, click on that and it shows you information about your Wi-Fi. And if you want to know information about your GPU, in this case I've got an integrated graphics card, it gives you all manner of information in regarding to your GPU. So there you go. If you want to know specific hardware information or performance of your PC, this is how you find out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. See you next time.